Hello class, today I'm going to show you how to use the new updated version of Class Dojo Portfolios. It is a little different than last year, so please watch the steps carefully. First, if the app is not already open, you will click the little mojo monster icon to open up Class Dojo. Once you've clicked the icon, if it's not signed in already to your class, you'll click I'm a student and scan your class's QR code. Find your name and then click your homeroom teacher's name. Then you're going to click the Square One Art activity with the camera next to it and click Start. Make sure your picture is centered. Then you'll click the check mark. Click the blue button to hand it in. And that is all you need to do today. Once you're done, you'll click the arrow in the corner twice to get back to your class so the next person can use the iPad if they need to and if they haven't uploaded their artwork already. This is so that your parents can see what you're currently working on in art class because you will not get your Square One Art back for another month or two. So please make sure to upload it before the end of the day. I will make sure to approve it so it sends to your parents.